How much does it cost to replace a serpentine belt on a car?
Hey there, car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Today, we'll be diving into the costs associated with replacing the serpentine belt in your vehicle. This critical component keeps many of your car systems running smoothly, so it's crucial to know when and how much it might cost to replace. Serpentine belt replacement is a common maintenance task, so let's break it down.
What is a serpentine belt?
The serpentine belt, often just called a drive belt, is a long winding belt that powers various accessories attached to the car's engine. These can include the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioner compressor, to name a few. It's essential because without it, many vital functions of your car won't operate.
When do you need to replace it?
While serpentine belts are designed for durability, they don't last forever. Typically, they need replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, but always refer to your vehicle's manual for specific recommendations. Signs of wear include visible cracks, fraying, or a squealing noise when the engine starts or runs.
The cost breakdown.
So, let's get down to the numbers. The cost of replacing a serpentine belt can vary based on several factors. 1. Type of vehicle. Luxury or high-performance cars might have pricier parts or more labor-intensive processes. 2. Labor costs. Depending on where you live and the mechanic's rate, labor can range from $40 to $150 per hour. 3. Part costs. The belt itself usually costs between $25 to $75. But remember, prices can vary based on brand and quality. Combining these factors, the average cost for replacing a serpentine belt can range from $75 to $200 for most vehicles. However, it's always wise to get a few quotes from different mechanics to ensure you're getting a fair deal. In wrapping up, the serpentine belt plays a pivotal role in keeping your car running smoothly. While the cost of replacement can vary, it's an investment in the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this information makes your next trip to the mechanic a bit more informed. Safe driving out there!